Hi guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm peeling. It's a VI peel and it is peeling. Look at the difference in my skin now. So I just got home from work and I'm really craving a hot chocolate, so we're just gonna go ahead and make that right now. And I'm whispering because my stepdad is not feeling well, so I don't want to be loud. So yeah, welcome to Vlogmas. It's 11:35, so it literally took me almost an hour. I wanted to post Vlogmas day 6 at 9. It literally didn't go up to like 10:30. It just took so much longer to process and edit the voiceover, and even doing that I didn't love it, but at that point I was kind of like, okay, I just need to get this footage up, so I just put it up. But it looks like you guys are loving Vlogmas, which is good. We're getting a good amount of views, and that is really good. And you guys are commenting saying like keep the videos coming, so that's really exciting too. So every day for December, guys. It's not going anywhere unless something changes. But it's 11:36. I'm exhausted. I need to edit Vlogmas for tomorrow, so I'm gonna start doing that. It's this video right now that you guys are watching, obviously. We are actually gonna go get our tree tomorrow, which is exciting too. Go get the Christmas tree. I'll show you guys more of the house. I showed you guys a little bit of the kitchen today already, but we're gonna go ahead and do all of the tree and stuff, so you guys will see that in Vlogmas day 8. And then yeah, so I'm gonna get in the shower, put my pajamas on and stuff. I don't want to film it because I've been filming everything of me, like skincare routine. I'm not gonna film like me in the shower and stuff like that, but I'll probably film like a little bit of a montage. I just feel like I cooked a lot in today's vlog. My mom cooked. I did the hot cocoa, but it was just a lot of me montages, and I want the vlogs to be more of me talking to you guys also. So just kind of let me know if you guys like the montages, want more talking, want a combination of both. Just let me know. I feel like the talking is a little bit more intimate, and we, you know, it's cool. The montage, I feel like sometimes are a little bit lazy, although they're the hardest, not hardest, the most tedious part to edit, just making it look all aesthetically pleasing and everything. But yeah, if also you guys saw the condition in my bathroom right now, you'd think I'm disgusting. It's not dirty, it's just cluttered. I have like every single skincare product I own on the counter, just because with the VI peel and everything going off my face, I haven't put it away. I'm honestly just using 3 products, but I've been filming and stuff, so it's kind of just everywhere. All that being said, let me go ahead and hop in the shower. I will obviously speak to you guys before I go to bed.
Bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love. Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah. Bitch, back on my pussy, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, yeah. Act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42, quarters too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up. Watch me go up, leave you so stuck. I'm back and I'm better than me. One bitch on my level, ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold.
Alright guys, so I just finished washing my face. I didn't show you guys the whole process because honestly my skin was peeling, and it just, I think I would have needed to put a warning. But this is the peel as of right now. Hyperpigmentation. Honestly, this peel I feel like didn't do as well as the first one, but that's okay. My camera's gonna die, so I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, good night. Hello. My VI peel on my face looks crazy. I look crazy. But we're looking for a Christmas tree. We're looking for a Christmas tree. Welcome to vlog. Did I get it wrong? I don't think you can go in here. No? I think I can. Mom. Oh, you're in a ditch.
Oh, shoot.
Go.
I can't.
Are you stuck? For real?
Yeah. Hold on.
Hit it. There you go.
How do I get over there?
I think you have to go to the church. So we were too early? So we were literally here for 5 minutes. We found our tree. We're in a maze. A field of trees, a field of Christmas trees. The lighting is so pretty. VIP update. So yeah, we found our tree. Super duper cute, and look how pretty it is here. It's so pretty. So yeah, welcome to Vlogmas day 8. We are getting our Christmas tree today, and it is cold. I'm gonna put subtitles right here so you guys can hear what I'm saying because there's traffic on the main road. But happy Vlogmas. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media link down below to stay tuned with everything that we're doing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get our tree. It is so cute here. Hold on, look. They have this like Christmas tree thing. They got all these trees. There's so many trees, and I wish I could show you guys the front, but I don't want to walk too close to the main road. Let's see. Let's go. Whew, it's cold. Yeah.
What do you think, Alexa?
Between which one? This one and this one?
This one and this one.
This one is 160, that one is 119. But somebody put a different time.
What did you say? It's an easy decision?
It's not our decision.
Oh. Which one did she pick?
She doesn't know.
That's why she asked you.
You pick.
That's a trick question. I don't know.
I honestly think she wants the cheap.
Alright, so I don't know if you can hear me. We're getting closer to the traffic, so sorry if you can't hear me. I'll have subtitles on what I'm saying, I think. But look at these. Look how they take the time. Look at these big ol' camels? Camels? Llamas? Camels. Look at the camels. And look, the main road's right here. But look. Look how cute. They got big ol' Santa over there. It is so cute. Look at all the trees. So we're stuck between 2 trees right now. And I hope you guys can hear me. We're stuck between 2 trees, and hopefully we get one tonight. We are getting one tonight. We're leaving here with a tree. We just don't know which one. They're both really cute though. I think we found the tree though. So cool. This one is a... Okay, so we're getting this one. This is our tree.
Well, keep looking, but we can't take that.
We have a winner. This is our tree.
I did like the other one, but yeah, I'm concerned about the thing.
This one's pretty.
Those stakes are that big.
so cold though. I feel so bad for them. They're like out here freezing in the cold. Like, thank you, I appreciate it, but jeez, my hands.
He goes inside his trunk today.
Okay, because I was gonna say, we were only in there for maybe 5 minutes, and it was cold. No, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. We were there for like 15 minutes. It's freezing.
Somebody else is coming.
Somebody call 911.
So he came out again.
Shawty fire
You hear me?
burning. Yeah, he just came out. I saw. That was not the popo. Okay.
No, that was his trunk.
Yeah. But we
Which way?
found our tree. We are going home now.
Oh,
Are we going home first?
yeah, because we gotta help.
Oh yeah, we gotta help with the tree.
And then
Oh, it's so cold. My hands are freezing. Oh wait, look at Santa. Look at Santa.
Cause like this isn't gonna fit over there and like look good. It's too big. There's not enough room.
Nico, just let her try, and then if it doesn't work, you'll be right, okay? This is the setup for the living room. Look at the view.
Lights on fire and like burns and like.
Nigga, you gotta hold it. It's moving.
Nico's already plotting the demise of the tree.
that's what you have to make sure you water it.
It's also the sap. You just don't want to have
My lips
anything
are so
flammable near it, or you don't want to have flame near it.